we already solved from equation how we can draw a waveform or a signal, and from the signal how we can write the or derive the equations. So today we are doing learning those things, and I have given, if some discontinuity is present in the signal, then unit step signal will come in the picture. Okay, if some ramp or slope has given in the signal, then ramp signal will come in the picture. Okay, like we have solved that. If some signal is like this, -2 to -1, 1, 2, this is suppose 2 and this is 5. We have said that since there is 4 discontinuity is there, so we have 4 different step signal. Okay, a shifted version of the step signal. So if we come from the left to right, then this amplitude would be +2, this would be +3, and since it's fall from 5 to 2, so it will be -3, this is -2. So the xt will be, so we can derive the equation like xt equal to 2 u of, since the first discontinuity at t equal to -2, so u of t +2, then again +3 u of, for the second discontinuity, u of t +1, then -3 is present at the third number of discontinuity, so it's come as a -3 u of t -1, and like that -2 u of t -2. This type of questions we have solved, and we have come to know that if there is discontinuity, then we have to deal with the unit step signal only. Somebody asked that, sir, what will be the derive or equation when there is some curve is there? Curve means if there some ramp type signal is there. Okay, I have given one example, like the signal is like this. Zero, 2, 4, 6. And what was the amplitude I have given?
4, sir.
4, sir.
Okay. So to solve this question, so I have said that you have to first find the slope for this ramp type signal. In this curve, the slope would be what?
+2.
Yes, it's +2. Since it is increasing in nature. Okay, and in this curve, slope is -2. Okay. For flat, you don't need to write the slope. Okay. Now, how to write the equation? You have to come from the left side. Okay. From at 0, there will be a ramp signal. Okay. So you write RT. And what will be the slope? Slope is the +2. That's why you have to give 2 at the in front of the RT function. So this means as a ramp signal which has a slope 2. So if we think this is for the signal R twice RT. Okay. So after that, what happened? We have a constant curve, or you can say slope is 0 for 2 to 4. So what? Or you can say at 2 the slope will become 0. How that slope becomes 0? You have to minus same quantity of slope, means you have to minus same slope as means same slope means the previous curve. The previous curve slope is true, so you have to minus 2 RT. But since at at t equal to 2, you have to start that slope. So you have to that t minus 2. When when you write like this, means the curve will be now a constant at a constant or flat type curve at t equal to 2. After this, what will be the waveform? Let me draw here. This t, this is 2. This signal is what? If slope is 2, okay? This signal is x of t equal to twice rt minus twice rt minus 2. Understood? This is the waveform, okay? But what happened? Again, this slope will decrease at t equal to 4. So initially it is slope is 0, but at t equal to 4, again slope is become minus 2. So what you will do? You have to give minus twice rt. Okay, but at which time it become as slope equal to minus 2 at t equal to minus 4. Understood? At t equal to 4, again this curve signal has become slope as a t equal to minus 4. Now what will be the waveform? Let me give. Okay, 2, 4. So slope will be minus 2. It will go like this. This go up to infinity. At it is right at 6. So it is going like that. Okay, but it will stop, or you can say again 0 slope will be coming at t equal to, beyond the time t equal to 6. Beyond 6, again slope will be 0. When slope will be 0, how we can make a minus 2 slope as a 0 slope? We have to add 2 again, or from t minus 6. Then again the signal will be as our required. Here slope will be 0 again. Understand? This signal is up to 3 term, means twice rt minus twice rt minus 2 minus twice rt minus 4. Okay, it is going on, but we have to make again a slope equal to 0 at t equal to 6. That's why we have to plus again positive slope at rt minus 6. Is it clear? Have you understood?
Sir, once again explain, sir.
I have to explain one more, no? Okay. Okay, let me explain here only. In this curve, this is a ramp signal which has slope 2. Okay, and slope 2 means it's going infinity. Okay, so only if we give twice rt, it's go up to infinity. Okay, so but at t equal to 2, the slope will again become 0, since it has flat type waveform. So what happened? At t equal to 0, we have started a ramp signal rt with a slope 2, but at t equal to 2, we have to make a flat signal, means the slope should be make as a 0. To make a 0 slope, we have to minus the slope. Initially it is 2, slope is 2, then we have to minus equal number of quantity, that is 2. That's why we have minus here as minus 2. This minus 2 represent the slope is minus 2. Okay, so that's at from what is the time this slope become 0 at t equal to 2. That's why we have write rt minus 2. Okay, so up to 0 to 2, we have the slope 2, but from 2 onwards we have a slope 0. Okay, but again we have seen that from 4 to 6, again slope become minus 2. So after this 2 term, our slope will be 0. To make a slope again minus 2, we again take here minus 2 as a slope. and time is r t minus 4. From t equal to 4 onwards, the slope will be minus 2. When you take these 3 term only, here you can say, when you give only 3 term, r minus 2, r2 minus 4, the curve will be going at infinity with a slope minus 2. But at t equal to 6, again, this slope should be a 0. This slope should be a 0 slope, or you can say constant. So what we'll do, after since it's minus 2 slope, so we'll plus again, we have to plus positive slope. We have to you can say we have to add a ramp signal which has a slope 2. Then that minus slope 2 and minus slope 2 and this with adding a positive 2 slope 2 get cancel, and it gives a constant curve at t equal to 6, and it's go with the x-axis, that is time axis. So like that you have to draw that signal. Okay, initially what happened when in case of step signal, you can say if there are 4 number of discontinuity, we will have 4 number of unity step signal. But here it's not like that. Here you can say there is two slope. There is 3 types of slope, you can say, but yet it has to give a one addition of ramp signal. Means here 3 slope is slope plus 2, slope 0, and slope minus 2. Again here slope 0 is there. So total 4 are ramp signal will come in the present, in the equation. So I think it's clear. Sir, why not minus t minus 2 as it is in negative slope? Question, somebody asked question, sir, why not minus 2 t minus 6 as it is in negative slope? Okay. I'm understood the things. Okay, let me say the thing once again. Just I am drawing a signal. Don't write your copy. Okay. Let me see. This is a positive 2 slope. Okay. If we want to make it means a 0 slope, what we have to do? We have to minus the slope. We have to minus with an equal quantity, that is minus 2. When we minus then in this curve that slope will be 0. Again, when we take a minus 2 slope means it decreasing. It's go decrease. Okay. Or you can write up to here. Okay, 6. Up to 4 to 6, it will minus slope. When you will do another minus, then it will go like this. But we have to add a slope, no, because it is already decreasing. We have to make a increasing slope. Means initially it is going like this, but we have to add some slope, no, then it will become a 0 slope. That's why we have to add positive slope, such that from the negative it goes up. This curve goes up. When this curve goes up, when we add positive slope only. Understood? If you again give minus, then it will give more slope like this. But if you add slope, the ramp signal, then it will come at the upper side. Have you understand the thing? Like this. Do you have any questions? Just now you know these things only. Somebody asked that what will be the equation if some curve is there. That's why I'm taking this question. If some ramp signal is there, then we have to do like this. We should know the flow of the slope, how it's going on. Okay. Initially it is 2, then we subtract the slope equal quantity, that is minus 2. So it will become again 0. Again we will take -2 slope, so it is going down. Again we add plus slope such that it again come as a 0 slope, like this. Understood? Somebody asked the question, that's why I am taking this one. Curve signal means sine cos signal will come also. Na sir? Okay. Okay, good questions. Curve signal means there is exponential signal also, parabolic signal also, sine wave, cos wave, everything is there. But in a exam or in a competitive exam, there, if you going to plot, if you going to derive an equation, then they will give such type of waveform only, step signal or ramp signal, or combine of step or ramp signal. Okay, they will give such type of signal. They will not say, they will not give a complex signal and they will say, okay, derive the equation. That's not possible also. From the parabolic signal or from the sine wave, addition of sine wave, if they ask derive the equation, it's not possible. But this, with the concept of the unity step signal, ramp signal, they will give a waveform and they will say, okay, derive the equations. Understood? From this sort of question only they will ask question. They will not give such difficult waveform. Why it is not possible, sir? Why it is not possible? Okay. So let me give example. Suppose a curve is given. Can you derive this equation? Can you derive the equation? No. It is difficult one. Okay. This is a complex type signal. Some complex term will also come. If some signal is given like this, it's not easy to derive the equation. Okay. It is not easy to derive. Some sine wave, cos wave, real signal, imaginary signal, all the concept will come in the point. Okay, and these sort of things not come in our course in the BTech live BTech. That's why we are keep our area constraint, means in some basic formula theories and concept. This sort of question will come only. Okay, don't think it's too much. From this type of question, this type of concept will come in the questions, means unity step signal, ramp signal, and combine of unity step or ramp. Let me give one example. You try you take as a homework. Okay, the very important questions. Question number 1, you try at home, your home. The combine of RAM and step signal. Okay, they will ask in the exam. Let's go through the. This 3, this 1, this is 0, this is 3, this is -3, this is -1, this is -2. Now in this question you can see that both RAM as well as step signal discontinuity is given. So you have to draw what is you have to derive what is the equation of xt. Okay, similar type of question, this sort of question will come, not like a sine wave. They will ask to derive the equation. From this sort of question, they will ask, okay, derive the equation. Okay, let me give another example. You are asking, that's why I am giving this sort of question. -6, -3, 3, 6, t, 6, up to here it is 4, up to here it is 2. Here you can see both discontinuity as well as ramp signal is present. Okay, so take your time and try to solve this question. Okay, these are homework. These are conceptual question. Okay, when you able to solve this type of question, then your concept will be clear. So I think I have completed this basic operation on signals. I have given so many problem on this, and I already take three classes, I think, on this basic operations only. So till now we have discussed different type of standard signals or elementary signals. I have defined, I have give the mathematical as well as graphical representation of each of the elementary signals. I have discussed about different types of operation, like time shifting, time scaling, time reversal, amplitude scaling, next signal addition and signal multiplication. Then today I have solved some conceptual questions which are very important to make your concept clear. Okay, now we are going to another topics. We are going to discuss another topics that is called classification of signal. Okay, do you have any questions on those on this basic operational signal? Otherwise, let me proceed to take this classification of the signal. There are a total 8 number of classification. Okay, so let me discuss one by one why these classifications come into the point. Okay, why this classification has come into the point, because we know that in a signal there has some phase, there has some frequency, some signal are periodic in nature. Okay, some signals take a complex number, some signal does not take complex number, some signal has continuous in nature, some is discrete in nature. Based on this concept, based on this parameter, there are different type of classification we can make. Okay, so let me give first one. First classification, as I have told in the first class itself, that is continuous time signal and discrete time signal. Point 1.5 RT minus 6 RT plus 1 plus RT minus 1 minus 3. Is this correct, sir? Somebody already gave the answer of the homework. I'll say at the end of this class. Okay, not now. You concentrate in this classification of signal. The first classification is continuous time signal and discrete time signal. So if we define this, if we give the definition, we have to write like this: continuous time signal is defined for all time instant in an interval. Okay, and it is represented by xt equal to sine, suppose omega t. Okay, the signal will be if you draw the signal, this is x of t. Okay, here you can see for every time instant, every time value, it's maybe t equal to 1, it may be t equal to 0, 1, it may be t equal to 0.001, it may be t equal to 1.01, like that. For every time instant, we have amplitude value. Okay, so the definition itself says it has it can be defined for every time instance in an interval. Interval means it may be up to here or it may be goes to infinity, like that. Okay, this is the first example. Second example, let me take unity step signal. What is the draw of unity step signal? Like this, 1 ut. Here you can see that, okay, for every time instance we have amplitude below or a continuous range of value is present for every time instant. Like if let me give if I plot a ramp signal, the signal will be like this. These are the example for continuous signal. Okay, continuous time signal. For every time instant we have some amplitude value. Okay, so this is a definition for the continuous time signal. What will be the, have you taken the note? Okay, come to
Yes, sir.
define. Next is discrete time signal is defined at discrete set of time instant. In an interval, you can write in an interval. Okay, means it has values for some discrete set of time. Okay, and it is represented as x of n. In place of t, we have substitute n. Okay, in place of t, we have substitute n, and we replace the t with n. We represent t time as a n. Okay, the equation will be sine omega n then. Okay, what will be the waveform then? This is x of n. The time axis is represented by n for discrete time signal. Let me give. These are for n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3, n equal to 4, n equal to 5, n equal to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There is 10 number of sequence or number amplitude values. Okay, this may be 3, this may be 2, 1, like that, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So this discrete time signal has value for some discrete set of time. Okay, and it is represented by n. Here n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that it's going on. Okay, so this is one type of signal. Second, let me give unity step representation, un. Okay, you have to write un. How un will represent? Here n should be given. This is un. Un will be how? At 0, it below 1. At t equal to 1 also, it has 1 amplitude. 2. The constant amplitude should be there. Okay, because we already know ut means amplitude equal to 1. Here also for discrete time signal also, as we increase the time, it is go up to infinity. Okay, n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what will be the amplitude? Amplitude would be 1. Understood? This is the representation for the unit step signal. What is the representation for unit ramp signal then? Ramp signal is R of n. What will be the representation then? This is n. This is R of n. Initially 0, then it is become 1, then it is become 2, 3. For a constant slope should be there, okay? A slope should be 1 for Rn. Like that, the amplitude will be increases. And it has value for some discrete set of time. Like that, it is go up to infinity, okay? And this is n equal to 0, n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like that. Understood? One important thing is that when I discuss elementary signal, I have given only for the discrete time signal, but you should know both the functional representation as the graphical representation in time, in discrete time also. You tried, okay, you try like I have given here unit step signal, unit ramp signal, you tried for like a rectangular signal, like a parabolic signal, you tried, okay? Sinusoidal signal is I have given, you tried. In a sinc function also I have given, you tried how to draw in discrete time signal, okay? So they are nothing, you have to replace t with a n, and in a plot you have to show some time instant. You have to show some values for discrete time instant, okay? So these things for classification about continuous time signal and discrete time signal. So how we can find this continuous time signal, discrete time signal? As I have said in the class that in the real time signal, all the temperature or sound, voice, audio signal, all the signals are in continuous nature. But here we find the discrete time signal. So discrete time signal is required for man-made devices. To operate the signal in discrete form is required for digital devices, okay? So how we can convert this from continuous time signal in a discrete time signal? One operation is there that is called sampling.